So this is the Urban Mini electric skateboard, and I'm gonna go ahead and see what's inside of this thing. Show you guys all about. So this is what comes in. I'm sorry. I think it comes with red, and this is like the orange looking. I still like it though. Pretty beefy. If you guys see my other video, I actually did a lot of few unboxing electric skateboard, and I mean there's a lot out there choices, but I'm gonna get something that is gonna be interesting for me to just go anywhere else in any places. And you can see this guy here is tiny. I mean, you can put this inside the bag. It has that carbon fiber look to it, but this looked like a tape. It looked like a vinyl carbon fiber tape. That's good because you know you're gonna splash water, and we're gonna go ahead and see if this is a waterproof or water resistance. And what else it comes in the box? Let's go ahead and see. Oh, it comes with this controller here, similar to all electric skateboards. And it comes with this portable charger, power bricks, and you get this tool that comes with. And then you also get this Bluetooth, you also get this for your Bluetooth USB charger. And that's about it. That's in the box. So anyway, we're gonna go ahead and see what's all this all about. But I think it comes with 3 colors. I think it comes with red, orange, and also comes with green. But anyway, I'm gonna go and try it out. And what's this all about? Is it really worth the money and time? And I mean, I'm just using this for pulling my 2 dogs, and it's gonna be fun for, you know, so I don't have to worry about pulling me so hard. But I'll weigh about what, 185, and I'm 6'1" or 6'2", and let's see what this guy can do. All right, guys, so I just got this Urban little mini electric skateboard, and I'm gonna go ahead and demonstrate. I just, you know, be honest with you, it says about an hour to charge. I think they're about right. It's about an hour to charge this thing, because when I got it, it's actually 0 voltage, and then I just go ahead and charge it all up, and the next thing I notice it's already full charge. So I'm gonna go ahead and ride around. I got this on the high mode, but we're gonna go ahead and go to slow mode right now. I'm gonna go ahead and show it to you guys, because a lot of people, when they buy this, when you buy electric skateboard, one thing you don't really do is, people think that you just go ahead and pop on, and next thing you notice you're good to go. Not really. I mean, most of the time is, especially like this, once you have a kind of like a hub like that, then you might have to push it off first to start, and then you go. But most of, like, I don't have my other big board here, but mine has a belt in the back, and I got 2 motors. And those electric skateboard, boosted board, you don't really need to push off because it has a lot of power, but still it's gonna be a low takeoff. I mean, you're not gonna go fast like 15 miles an hour right away. You basically start to 0 all the way to whatever your max of your electric skateboard, and that's how you start. All right, I got the GPS on in my GoPro here, and we're gonna go ahead and see how fast this thing is just in the slow mode. See, I pretty much just, you see my the way I did this board, all I gotta do is push it just a little bit, and then I just go ahead and jump on. You want to go ahead and put it right here, and I'm about like what, I would say 6'2", and I weigh about 180. It depends if I ate. Sometimes I weigh 190. And we're gonna go ahead and see what this guy can do in the slow mode. Oh, I'm sorry, I'm in the high mode. I'm in a high mode right now. I'm in a fast mode. But hopefully this GPS will still tell me how fast I'm going. And I'm turning right here right now. I mean, you can adjust this for your turn, but trying to get used to it first. So right now I'm going, it's claimed 12 miles, but we'll see. I mean, 5 miles, I think it's good enough. But if it can claim 12, I'm sorry, it claims 5 miles or 6 miles. That's pretty good enough. If you can do 4 miles on this little mini board, hey, it's even better. All right, now you guys can see this as fast as I can go. All right, then I'm gonna go ahead and turn around. Holy crap. Yeah, I'm turning around right now. You guys can see. And then I'm gonna go ahead and go to slow mode. I'm in low mode right now. Let's see how slow this thing really is. I mean, it is really slow, guys. I mean, that's how slow it is. So it's very slow when you're slow mode. You're probably going about 4 miles an hour. I don't know. I'm just timing myself right now. Yeah, so I'm in slow mode right now. I went low just a little bit, see. All right. I'm turning. I'm turning. Yeah, it got some good speed to it. I think the second version is a little bit faster on this one. I think this one got 150 watts. I think the second one has a 200 watts, I think. But let's see what this guy's all about. So 250 watts. I look it up on the website. It's around the second version. This is the first version, and the second version is $169 or $179. So it's like $30 difference. I just run over a damn rock. I just run over like a little rock, man. It's damn. You can get tripped on this, but like I said, just be safe. But it's not bad. It's holding on. I mean, this is high speed. Yeah, so it's not bad. I mean, like I said, if you are definitely thinking about getting this, I think it goes by your weight. So if you're 200 pounds, you can still probably I mean, you equivalent the speed on this one, because I'm going high speed right now. But it do its job. I don't think you want to go as fast anyway with this size. It's really, you know, the controlling is really, like, especially when you're trying to turn. I mean, you can still turn, but it's really tricky. Or maybe you can adjust the, maybe I need to loosen up the bushing on this one so I can turn better. But yeah, it holds up for its size. Again, I don't know how fast I'm going right now, but I got the GPS set up. But I'm gonna go ahead and check it out, how fast this little thing is. But I gotta get moved though. I mean, oh God. You see that? I just run over I just run over a rock. You will get your ass thrown off. Yeah, see this little pebbles. But anyway, and that's how I set up myself here. I mean, this board is tiny. I mean, comparing it to my big board. And I'm going for it again. And then you can just go turn here. Top turn. There you go. That's about it. Yeah, it will not. It will not. So let's go ahead and see if we can. It will not do it. Anyway, guys, for the price you're getting it for, I would definitely recommend this one. Going downhill. Oh shit. Oh yeah. Woo! Wow, I made it. Interesting.